In the annals of Islamic history, amidst the sands of Arabia and the burgeoning city of Medina, a pivotal event unfolded, the Battle of Khandaq. Occurring in the year 627 CE, during the time of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, this conflict bore witness to the clash of civilizations as the nascent Muslim community faced the formidable might of the Quraysh from Makkah. Named after the trench ingeniously carved by the Muslims to fortify their city against the onslaught, the Battle of Khandaq stands as a testament to the resilience, ingenuity, and unwavering faith of the early Muslims. The Battle of Khandaq reverberates through the corridors of time as a beacon of inspiration, reminding generations of Muslims of the power of unity, strategic planning, and steadfast faith in the face of adversity. It marked a significant turning point in the history of Islam, solidifying the position of Medina as the stronghold of the burgeoning Muslim community and foiling the designs of their adversaries. Through courage, sacrifice, and divine providence, the Muslims emerged triumphant, stronger, and more unified than ever before, laying the foundations for the remarkable spread and endurance of Islam in the years to come.